Hi everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama, and today I am so excited to be revealing two new things that are coming to The Sensible Mama. I'm going to show them both to you briefly in this video, but then I'm going to go in depth into only one of them, and then I'll do a second video for the second one. These are two brand new items coming to Lymia brand. This is my own brand of diaper bags, travel bags, and accessories, and these are two things that you guys have been wanting for a while. We are looking at a February to March launch date for these things. They are available for pre-order right now. The reason why we're doing a pre-order is I was planning on only doing one of these things, which I'll show you in a minute, in two leather colors, but you guys wanted me to do all three, so On Point, Boss Up, and I'm Moody, which are the three main colors from Lymia brand. And you guys have been asking me to do something in a camel brown for a while now, and in order to do 4 colors in this new thing, we were gonna need to do a pre-order. So it's up right now on the website. I will link it down below. If you wish to pre-order, feel free to. That keeps you from having to have fastest fingers when we have the launch. Our pre-order is guaranteed to be open until the 18th, but we're probably going to keep it longer than that, especially since I'm just now getting this video up. So I would say probably through Black Friday will be around about the time that we'll be closing down the pre-order. So if you watch this video and you decide that you want or need either of these things, you can do that pre-order using the link in the description. So with that said, let me show you the two things, and then we're gonna break down the one thing that I'm gonna be showing you today. The first thing I wanna show you is the Trifecta pouch trio, but it is so much more than a pouch trio, and this is the thing that I'm gonna be breaking down in detail today. And the second thing is the Lymia brand iPad portfolio, which comes in 2 sizes, and I'm gonna break all of that down in the next video. So with the introductions out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. If there's one thing that I always knew when I started Lymia brand is that I wanted everything that I created to be able to serve multiple purposes. So our initial Lymia brand launch was all about diaper bags that cross over really nicely into travel or work so that you could feel like that investment was gonna stay with you throughout the rest of your years, even when the diaper bag years are over. And releasing a pouch set was gonna be no different. So as I started sneak peeking the Trifecta, which is our pouch trio, on social media, people immediately thought that we were coming out with a crossbody, and that's because this is all I was showing you guys. This is in the color Boss Up from Lymia brand, and this is actually the large pouch. Now, the Trifecta does come with a crossbody strap, which I will show you in a minute. At its longest, this strap is almost 5 feet long. It is 4.6 feet long, which is amazing to me because it gives you a whole lot of room to work with. But as you can see, and I'll put this on the body in a little bit, at its shortest setting, it's quite short. So there's a lot of space to work with here with this strap. But the large pouch, when you take that strap off, looks just like this, just a regular packing case, if you will. I'm very excited about our brand new zipper pulls. Let me show you these. Look at that, aren't those gorgeous? These are the brand new zipper pulls. This features a double zipper, which was very important to me so that you would be able to open this up nice and wide. And of course, we have D-rings here on both sides so that you can put on that crossbody strap and wear it crossbody. The bag has a zipper across the back here. There's what the lining looks like. Again, with the new zipper pulls. And here is what the inside looks like. So as you can see here, we have a long zipper on the inside, as well as 2 mesh pockets on this side. Now, one of my favorite ways to use this large piece is actually for changes of clothes for my children. I'm able to pop this in my diaper bag. I put all of their big clothing down here, and then I usually roll up undies and socks in these 2 mesh pockets. It just works really, really great as an extra clothes bag. But this also works wonderfully for diapers. It fits a wipes case in here with several even size 6 diapers. And then you can use the mesh pockets here for cream, medicated ointments, anything like that that you might bring with you, or those little roll-up disposable diaper bags. And of course, back here you have an internal zipper and an external zipper for anything that you might be needing to carry with you. What I think is really cool about this is when I go out alone with just one or both of my kids. I have one child who's still in diapers. We're working on it. But I'm able to throw my wallet in here as well as diapers and wipes. I can get my lipstick, my lip gloss, anything that I need for me, all inside of this bag, and it turns into a cute little crossbody clutch. So I am going to show you the other two pieces of this trio, but really quickly, let me pack this back up so that you can see how nicely it packs. So here's just one way that I like to pack this up for me. I'm at work today, so this is just packed as my little bag. Sitting right on top, I have my Lymia brand bamboo case with my sunglasses in it. I love that this fits in here so I can actually keep my sunglasses protected. But of course, if I don't want to bring that bamboo case with me, I'll just put the sunglasses in the little pouch that they come in and sit them right on top. Here's what the inside looks like, all packed up. And please forgive me for looking in my monitor here, but I want to make sure that I'm getting everything in focus. So there's the inside. In the back pocket here, I just have some feminine products so that I can get to those quickly. And then in the center, here's how I have it packed up. I'll start with these two mesh pockets over here. On the one side, I have my AirPods. I love that those fit in that pocket because I usually, if I need these, I need to get to them quickly. So I love that I can just pop them right in and out of that little mesh pocket. And then over here, I have got my lip gloss, lipstick, and my eyeliner, because those tend to be the three things that I am touching up the most while I'm on the go. Then on the inside, I have my Lymia brand Gabby wallet, also in the color Boss Up. Then in the very bottom, I have a Jujubee medium set piece, and this has got all of my makeup that I use. And then in the internal zipper pocket over here, I have got my charger and a cable for my phone. So that all packs up really nicely, and then what I'm able to do is I can either toss this inside of my bag. So today I brought with me my Boss Up Charlie. I can toss this in here if I'm not using it as an actual purse, but if I'm stepping out to run an errand, I can just pop my strap on here like this, and now I can wear the bag over the shoulder this way, or I can lengthen that strap and go crossbody. Now, I do not have this on the longest setting, but this is where I like to wear it. It's about halfway down. And that's the large piece. So now let's take a look at the medium piece. The medium piece is your sort of typical window bag style of pouch. It has got one zipper pull here that goes all the way across, and it opens up nice and wide. Now, one thing that my customers in our Facebook group requested, and I completely agree, is that we add a D-ring over on this side, so that in case you're going to, whenever the world goes back to normal, a concert or a baseball game or some event where you need to have a clear bag to enter, you can actually add a strap to this and you can carry it like as a wristlet clutch. So this will in the final version have a D-ring right here on this side. We are not currently providing the Trifecta with a strap for this one, so if you have a strap to your Gabby wallet, I suggest using that one, or you can use a Jujubee wristlet strap or anything else that you have in your collection. So this is the medium piece. Let me pack it up with the stuff that I brought with it today. I will say that this works great as a medical kit, or I've even been using it as a diapering pouch. I put 2 size 6 diapers and an Orchid Hearts white pouch in here, and that works really great. Anything that you really want to be able to see where you can just look and know exactly where it is goes great in a pouch like this. So today I'm using the medium pouch as kind of like a tech bag. This is all of my stuff that I need for my technology to run smoothly. So I've got an adapter for my iPad Pro, another battery charger, some cables, my mouse is back there, and my Apple Pencil is in there somewhere as well. The last piece in the set is the small piece. It also comes with the new zipper pull and with a small D-ring on the side. It has a nice wraparound zipper so that it opens nice and wide. And as you can see, what I had in here over the weekend was masks for me and my children, and a Go Silly straw so that I could put that in my water and drink through the straw while I was wearing my mask. This is a great size for carrying around little things like baby gripe water and the little plunger that you use for that, cuticle cutters, nail cutters, anything you can think of related to baby goes nicely in there. But this is also a nice little pouch for mom too, if you're wanting to carry this with maybe like a Jujubee Be Charged and toss some of your lip gloss and things like that in here. It's just a really nice little bag, and it does have a D-ring as well in case you wanted to use this with a wristlet strap. Now, to show you a size comparison, here is the small piece from the Trifecta, and here is the Lymia brand coin purse. So it is a significant difference in terms of what it can hold. We wanted it to be very similar in that you could use them together and they would complement each other nicely, such that the coin purse almost feels like a fourth piece to the Trifecta, but still be nice and dainty enough to fit nicely inside of your bags. One last thing before I go, I do want to show you that all of the pieces do fit inside of each other. So this is the medium piece inside of the large and the small piece inside of the medium. That's how they will come when you purchase this, all inside of each other, so that you know that they do fit. And don't they just make it such a cute little combination? I love it. This is going to be coming in Boss Up, which is this color, as well as On Point, which is our black, super soft and buttery leather. I'm Moody, which is a beautiful plum color, and a brand new color called Iced Latte. Unfortunately, I don't have a sample of that just yet, but it is a camel brown with a really ice powdery blue liner. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm working with my factory to get a sample soon so that I can show that to you, but we do have it up for pre-order. If you're just somebody who knows, like, I don't care, it's camel, I need it, you can go ahead and place a pre-order. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. I just realized that's very loud. I hope that hasn't been obnoxious this whole video. I'll find out when I edit. Regardless, thank you so much for watching. I do promise that I will have more packing videos and 5 Ways Wednesday and everything you can think of coming out about these bags. So if you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I can address them in the future videos that I'll be filming. And make sure, if you have an iPad or a tablet of any kind and you are looking for a portfolio, you will check out the second video coming soon, which is all about the brand new Lymia brand iPad portfolio. Love ya, mean it, always, mwah! And I'll see you in the next one.